Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of AI-driven smart homes, focusing on how you can set up a modern, connected living space without breaking the bank. Smart homes are no longer just for tech enthusiasts or those with deep pockets. With the right approach, anyone can enjoy the convenience, security, and efficiency that AI-powered devices offer. In this video, we'll walk you through the essentials, from choosing the right devices to integrating them seamlessly. Whether you're a beginner or looking to upgrade, you'll find practical tips to make your home smarter and your wallet happier. Let's get started on your affordable smart home journey. A smart home uses internet-connected devices to automate and control household functions like lighting, security, and temperature. These devices can be managed remotely, often through your smartphone or voice commands. AI-driven smart homes take things a step further by learning your habits and preferences, making adjustments automatically to improve comfort and efficiency. For example, your lights might dim when you start a movie, or your thermostat could lower the temperature when you leave for work. Understanding these basics will help you make informed decisions as you build your own smart home system. Before you start shopping for smart devices, it's important to set a realistic budget. Decide how much you're willing to spend overall and prioritize the features that matter most to you. Remember, you don't need to buy everything at once. Many people start with one or two devices and expand over time. By planning ahead, you can avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on the upgrades that will have the biggest impact on your daily life. This approach ensures you get the most value from your investment while keeping costs under control. One of the first decisions you'll make is which smart home ecosystem to use. Popular options include Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. Each has its own strengths, compatible devices, and unique features. Consider what devices you already own, such as smartphones or tablets, and which ecosystem they support. Sticking to one ecosystem can make setup and integration much easier, especially for beginners. Take some time to research and compare before making your choice, as this will shape your entire smart home experience. A smart speaker is often the heart of an AI-driven home. Devices like the Amazon Echo or Google Nest Hub allow you to control other smart devices with your voice, play music, set reminders, and even answer questions. Entry-level models are affordable and offer plenty of features for beginners. By starting with a smart speaker, you lay the foundation for future upgrades and ensure compatibility with other devices you add later. It's a simple, cost-effective way to begin your smart home journey. Smart lighting is one of the easiest and most impactful upgrades you can make. Affordable smart bulbs are available from brands like Philips Hue, Wise, and TP-Link. These bulbs can be controlled via apps or voice commands, allowing you to adjust brightness, color, and schedules. Start with a few key rooms, such as the living room or bedroom, and expand as your budget allows. Smart lighting not only adds convenience but can also help save energy and reduce your electricity bill over time. Smart plugs are a budget-friendly way to make almost any device in your home smarter. Simply plug them into your existing outlets, and you can control lamps, fans, or even coffee makers with your phone or voice. Many smart plugs also track energy usage, helping you identify which devices use the most power. They're a great starting point for anyone looking to automate their home without replacing existing appliances. Smart thermostats like the Google Nest Thermostat E or the Wise Thermostat offer advanced features at a reasonable price. These devices learn your schedule and adjust heating or cooling automatically, saving energy and money. Many models can be installed without professional help, making them a practical upgrade for renters and homeowners alike. With remote control via your phone, you can always ensure your home is comfortable when you arrive. Home security doesn't have to be expensive. Affordable smart cameras, door sensors, and video doorbells are widely available. Brands like Wise, Blink, and Ring offer entry-level options that provide real-time alerts and video feeds directly to your phone. You can monitor your home from anywhere, giving you peace of mind without the need for costly professional systems. Start with a single camera or sensor and expand as needed. Smart sensors can detect motion, temperature, humidity, and even leaks. Many affordable options are available, and some can be installed yourself with minimal tools. These sensors can trigger other devices, like turning on lights when you enter a room or sending alerts if a window is opened. By strategically placing sensors around your home, you can automate routines and enhance security without spending a fortune. A smart hub connects and coordinates your devices, making automation easier. While some ecosystems don't require a separate hub, others benefit from having one. Affordable options like Samsung SmartThings or Hubitat Elevation can bring together devices from different brands. This central control point allows you to create complex routines and ensures everything works smoothly together, even on a budget. Voice assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri make controlling your smart home effortless. Most affordable smart devices are compatible with at least one of these assistants. With simple voice commands, you can turn off lights, adjust the thermostat, or check your security cameras. This hands-free control is especially useful for busy households or those with mobility challenges. One of the biggest benefits of an AI-driven smart home is automation. You can set up routines that trigger multiple actions with a single command or at scheduled times. For example, a good morning routine could turn on lights, start the coffee maker, and read you the news. These automations save time and make your home life more comfortable and efficient. AI-driven devices can help you save energy by learning your habits and optimizing usage. Smart thermostats, plugs, and lighting systems can automatically turn off when not needed or adjust settings based on your routines. Over time, these small changes add up, reducing your utility bills and environmental impact. Investing in energy-saving smart devices is a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Most smart devices come with their own apps, but managing multiple apps can get confusing. Many ecosystems offer a central app to control all your devices from one place. These apps let you set schedules, create routines, and monitor device status. Look for apps that are user-friendly and compatible with your chosen ecosystem to keep things simple and organized. A reliable Wi-Fi network is the backbone of any smart home. Make sure your router can handle multiple devices and provides good coverage throughout your home. If you have dead zones, consider adding a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system. Keeping your network secure with strong passwords and regular updates is also essential to protect your devices and data. Many smart home devices are designed for easy DIY installation, saving you money on professional services. However, some upgrades, like smart thermostats or wired security systems, may require more expertise. Always read the instructions carefully and watch tutorial videos if needed. If you're unsure, it's better to seek help than risk damaging your devices or home. If you're on a tight budget, consider buying second-hand or refurbished smart devices. Many reputable sellers offer certified refurbished products that work like new, but cost significantly less. This approach allows you to access higher-end features without paying full price. Just make sure to buy from trusted sources and check for warranty coverage. Open-source platforms like Home Assistant or OpenHAB offer powerful smart home control without subscription fees. These solutions require a bit more technical know-how, but provide flexibility and privacy. You can run them on affordable hardware like a Raspberry Pi, integrating devices from different brands and customizing automation to your liking. If you enjoy tinkering, open-source options can stretch your budget further. Privacy is a key concern with any connected device. Always review the privacy settings on your smart devices and apps. Disable features you don't need, and regularly update your devices to patch security vulnerabilities. Consider using devices that store data locally rather than in the cloud for added peace of mind. Being proactive about privacy helps protect your personal information and keeps your smart home secure. Once you've set up the basics, you can gradually expand your smart home system. Add new devices as your needs and budget allow, such as smart locks, blinds, or appliances. Always check compatibility with your existing ecosystem before purchasing. By growing your setup over time, you can spread out costs and avoid feeling overwhelmed by too many devices at once. Maintaining your smart home is just as important as setting it up. Regularly check for software updates and replace batteries in wireless devices. cleans sensors and cameras to ensure they function properly. Keeping your devices in good condition extends their lifespan and ensures your smart home runs smoothly. Even the best smart home setups can run into issues. Common problems include connectivity drops, device malfunctions, or app glitches. Most issues can be resolved by restarting devices, checking Wi-Fi connections, or updating software. If you encounter persistent problems, consult the manufacturer's support resources or online forums for solutions. Staying patient and methodical will help you keep your smart home running smoothly. Renters can also enjoy the benefits of a smart home without making permanent changes. Focus on plug-and-play devices like smart bulbs, plugs, and wireless cameras. These can be easily removed when you move. Always check your lease agreement and get permission if needed before installing anything that requires drilling or wiring. A smart home can make family life easier and safer. Set up routines for bedtime, homework, or movie nights. Use parental controls to manage screen time and monitor device usage. Smart security devices can alert you if doors or windows are opened unexpectedly, providing extra peace of mind for parents. Smart home technology can support independent living for seniors. Voice assistants make it easy to control devices without needing to use small buttons or screens. Smart sensors can detect falls or unusual activity, sending alerts to family members or caregivers. Simple automations, like turning on lights at night, can prevent accidents and improve comfort. Pet owners can benefit from smart devices like automated feeders, pet cameras, and smart doors. These gadgets let you monitor and care for your pets even when you're not home. Set feeding schedules, check in via video, or let your pet outside with a smart door. These affordable devices add convenience and peace of mind for busy pet owners. Upgrade your entertainment experience with smart TVs, streaming devices, and speakers. Many affordable options integrate with your smart home ecosystem, allowing you to control playback, adjust volume, or switch inputs with your voice. Create custom scenes for movie nights or parties, making your home the ultimate entertainment hub. Smart kitchen devices like Wi-Fi-enabled coffee makers, smart plugs for appliances, and connected scales can make meal prep easier and more fun. Many of these gadgets are budget-friendly and can be controlled from your phone or with voice commands. Automate your morning routine or set timers for cooking with ease. If you love plants, consider smart gardening devices like automated watering systems or smart plant sensors. These tools monitor soil moisture, light, and temperature, helping your plants thrive. Many options are affordable and easy to set up, making them perfect for beginners or busy homeowners who want a lush, green home. Robotic vacuums and smart mops are now more affordable than ever. These devices can be scheduled to clean while you're away, keeping your home tidy with minimal effort. Many models can be controlled via smartphone apps or voice commands, and some even map your home for efficient cleaning. Investing in smart cleaning devices saves you time and energy. Health-focused smart devices like air purifiers, smart scales, and sleep trackers can improve your well-being. Many of these gadgets are budget-friendly and integrate with your smart home system. Track air quality, monitor your weight, or analyze your sleep patterns to make informed decisions about your health. Create different lighting scenes for various moods and activities. Use your smart bulbs to set a relaxing ambience for evenings, energizing light for mornings, or colorful effects for parties. Most smart lighting apps allow you to save and switch between scenes with a tap or voice command, adding a touch of luxury to your daily life. Take advantage of scheduling features to automate daily tasks. Set timers for lights, appliances, or heating to turn on and off at specific times. This not only adds convenience, but also helps save energy by ensuring devices aren't left on unnecessarily. Scheduling is a simple yet powerful way to make your home smarter on a budget. Stay informed with real-time notifications from your smart devices. Get alerts for motion detection, open doors, or completed tasks. Customizing notifications ensures you only receive the information that matters most, helping you stay connected to your home without feeling overwhelmed. Many smart devices offer analytics features, showing you patterns in energy use, device activity, or security events. Reviewing this data can help you optimize routines, identify savings opportunities, and spot unusual activity. Even on a budget, these insights can make your smart home more efficient and responsive to your needs. IFTTT, If This Then That, is a free service that connects different apps and devices, allowing you to create custom automations. For example, you can set your lights to turn on when you arrive home or receive a notification if your security camera detects motion. IFTTT is a powerful tool for expanding your smart home's capabilities without extra cost. Safety should always be a priority. Use strong, unique passwords for your smart devices and Wi-Fi network. Enable two-factor authentication where possible. Regularly update device firmware to protect against security vulnerabilities. These simple steps help keep your smart home safe from digital threats. If your budget is very limited, focus on the most impactful upgrades first. Smart plugs, bulbs, and entry-level speakers offer the best value for money. Look for sales, bundles, or refurbished devices to stretch your dollars further. Remember, even a few smart devices can make a big difference in comfort and convenience. There are countless online resources to help you set up and troubleshoot your smart home. Manufacturer websites, YouTube tutorials, and online forums offer step-by-step guides and community support. Don't hesitate to seek help if you get stuck. There's a wealth of knowledge available for free. Technology evolves quickly, so it's wise to choose devices that support updates and new features. Look for products with good manufacturer support and a track record of regular updates. This ensures your smart home stays compatible with new devices and services, protecting your investment for years to come. Many people think smart homes are too expensive or complicated. In reality, affordable devices and user-friendly apps make it easy for anyone to get started. You don't need to be a tech expert or spend a fortune to enjoy the benefits of automation, security, and convenience. With the right approach, a smart home is within reach for everyone. Many people have transformed their homes with just a few smart devices. From saving money on energy bills to improving security and convenience, the benefits are real and achievable. Hearing about others' experiences can inspire you to start your own smart home journey, no matter your budget or technical skill level. To wrap up, setting up an AI-driven smart home on a budget is entirely possible with careful planning and smart choices. Start small, focus on the most impactful devices, and expand as your needs and budget allow. Prioritize security and privacy, and take advantage of online resources for support. With these tips, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, efficient, and secure home without overspending. The future of smart homes is bright, with new devices and features becoming more affordable and accessible every year. By starting your journey now, you'll be ready to take advantage of upcoming innovations. Stay curious, keep learning, and enjoy the convenience and comfort that an AI-driven smart home brings to your life.